Welcome back to Hero Handmade YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial of a new pair of beautiful earrings. I've done a lot of tutorials for crochet earrings. All these are very easy tutorials and beginner friendly. You can go ahead and subscribe to my channel to watch many more videos of crochet tutorials, and of course I'll be posting new tutorials every week. Keep in touch with Hero Handmade channel to watch all those tutorials, and feel free to comment if you have any questions regarding crochet. So we are going to start with today's tutorial. First of all, we will look into the things we need to make this. This is the yarn material I'm going to use today, and this is 100% cotton. And I'm going to use 1.25mm crochet hook. We will need 2 hook ear wires, two jump rings, I'm going to use these 2 glass beads, and we will need a yarn needle, the pair of scissors, and the plier. So these are the things we need to make this pair of earrings, and let's get started. We will start with a magic ring. Then we will need to put a stitch to secure the magic ring. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now this is the magic ring we are going to work into. This is the first round. Chain 2, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we will have to work 12 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the magic ring. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. The second double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets into the ring. So we need to complete another 10 of them. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 3 just like this. You have to complete until you get 12 double crochets into the magic ring. You can pull this tail a little if you want to make the magic ring smaller. Now I have completed 12 double crochets into the magic ring. Then we can pull this tail tight to close the magic ring. Now we need to put a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet we have made on this round. Insert the hook on top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. This is the slip stitch to connect the stitches together. Now we have completed the first round. Chain 1 to start the second round. On this round we are going to work 2 single crochets on top of each of the next 12 stitches. We will start from the very first stitch over here. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first single crochet into the first stitch. Now make sure to work over this tail when you are working the second round, then you don't have to worry about the tail of the project at the end. Now we will make the second single crochet into the same stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 single crochets into the first stitch. Just like that we are going to work into the next stitch. One, and 2. One, and 2. So you can continue until the end of this round. By the end you will have to have 24 stitches all around. Now I am at the end of the second round. Then we need to put a slip stitch into the first single crochet we have done on this round. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the second round. Chain 1 to start the third round. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we need to make a single crochet into the fourth stitch from the beginning. 1, 2, 3 and this is the fourth stitch. Insert the hook into the fourth stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. We have to make 6 of them. Chain 5, then make a single crochet into the fourth stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth stitch. Insert the hook into the fourth stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Again chain 5, and make a single crochet into the 4th stitch. Just like this, we need to make another 3 loops. At last, we need to put a slip stitch to the starting point of the round. Insert the hook into the very first stitch of the starting point, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the 3rd round. Now start the 4th round by making 2 half double crochets into this chain 5 space. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 5 space, yarn over and pull through the chain 5 space. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. This is 1 half double crochet. So we are going to make another one. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now I have completed 2 half double crochets into the chain 5 space. Then we need to work 5 double crochets into the same chain 5 space. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 5 space, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. We have completed the first double crochet. We will work the second one. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 5 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets. We will work another 3 of them. Now I have completed 5 double crochets into the same chain 5 space. Then we need to work another 2 half double crochets until the end. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 5 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. We will work the second half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 5 space, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now we have completed 2 half double crochets, 5 double crochets and 2 half double crochets into the same chain 5 space to make the first petal. Just like the same, you can continue the other 5 petals. Now I have completed all 5 petals of my flower. Then we need to put a slip stitch into the starting point of the project to finish it. Now I have completed the flower. Then we need to chain 1 and cut the yarn by leaving a little tail to attach the bead and the jump ring. Now I will show you how to attach the bead, jump ring and the hook ear wire into the earring to complete it. This is how the completed project looks like. And if you have any questions regarding make this, you can comment on the comment section below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching Hero Handmade.